when you get your IKEA cushions, I have the Finala, and then they also have the Vemlay, which is like an old version. If you get these pillows like kind of sealed into plastic, when you take it out, it takes about 2 to 3 days to fluff out. Now, one thing that you need to do is be able to kind of make sure that they go straight into the corners. It'll take a few days for it to kind of fluff out. I mean, it still looks a little bad right now, but what I want to show you is how you can actually put it in here so that it hits all the corners the right way, so that when it expands over the next couple of days, it'll expand really well into the corners, okay? So what we're gonna do with my daughter here is we're going to take a trash bag, and I have my Dyson machine right here, and we're going to basically suck it up. So here's the pillow. We're gonna put this over just like this, and Aubrey, will you put it in here real quick so they can see?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, now turn it on. So it'll flatten it. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, let go. Okay, so now it's flat just like this, okay? So now what we're going to do is put it into this. And I'm going to just put it sideways so the bag is on top. But it's really easy to take the bag out, even from the side. Okay? Okay. So now we're going to make sure that the corners kind of get hit with both of those corners right there. And then I'm just going to take it out. And so here's what the pillow looks like, and you just need to kind of flatten it out and give it a couple of days, and it'll go into its full form, just like that. And you just do it again for all the other pillows in the cushions.